What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be looking at the Nintendo stock. That is right, there is a stock for Nintendo. A lot of people may or may not know about this, but this stock is actually not listed in the primary markets. The stock is listed in the secondary markets. This is an over-the-counter stock. So, a couple things. Number one, you might not see Nintendo stock available on your trading app. If you're using one of the more modern, more newer apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Moomoo, any of the newer ones, I would say over the past couple years, they may not have Nintendo stock. Meanwhile, I know some of the other modern brokerages potentially over the last few years have added Nintendo stock. So since it is not in the primary market, we have to go to the secondary market. And I'm just going to type it in here, Nintendo. I typed in Nintendo and nothing showed up. So what we actually have to do is we have to go to otcmarkets.com. So we are going into the dark side of the stock market. This is where the really risky stocks are. Think of your penny stocks, your scam stocks. This is like the worst of the worst. There are benefits to being on the OTC market, but I'm not going to just try and spout it out. Let me see benefits of being an OTC stock, or I guess being a stock listed in secondary market versus primary market. Let's see what the reasons are. I have some in my head. The most obvious secondary market benefit is the ability to access it for newer investors. Danger. That's danger. Some of the most standout advantages of secondary market includes, but not limited to, trading doesn't require a surplus of capital funds. Okay, that's not good. That's just trying to get you to throw your money at these stocks that are thinly traded. So my version of why I think the secondary markets are better than the primary. Number one, and you guys can fact check me on this. Number one, less stringent on paperwork. If you're not in the primary market, I do believe you don't have as much paperwork to do. I don't want to say less regulation, but I think there's less regulation. And I think the third advantage is if a company on the over-the-counter market, pink sheets, the secondary market, I'm referring to the secondary market here. If a company is on the secondary market, they can turn off the stock. They can stop sending in required documents, and you can still trade the stock. So I wouldn't call those pros, but that's just my version of the secondary markets. So we are here. Let's we're gonna type in Nintendo here. Nintendo. All right. So we have two here. We're gonna click the NTDOY. All right. And we're gonna go to security details. It's been a while since I've been on this. So the market cap, is this in US dollars? Nintendo does a dividend. Another great company that's on the secondary markets is Samsung, I believe. Okay, I'm looking for dollars. USD? No. We'll just assume it's in USD. Or actually, yeah, no. All right, we might have to actually go to a security filing because this website is not really showing us anything. So let's go to the actual website here. And we're going to go down to investors. Where is it? Where are you? I can't find you. Here it is, investor relations. Okay. Financial results, financial data. 6 months. Okay, let's just look here, I guess. Oh, there was an annual report for 2023. Was it available? Oh, their fiscal year ends in March. Yeah, let's check it out. All right, we'll check this out. So this is what we're going to want to know from Nintendo stock. And then we're also going to chart it out because we want to look at the chart, come to a realization of what the price could be, and see where supports, resistances are, etc., etc. So again, what we're going to want to look for is Nintendo. So we want the market cap. We want sales / rev. We want income. We want, oh gosh, why can't I think of it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So we want those, and then where did it go? Annual report. Okay. So we want those. We need the cash and cash debt, total shares float. From let's see, what other financial data points do we like to look at? We can look and see what institutions are doing, but let's wait until we find those things. So we're going down. I'm just going to, oh, okay. All right. Damn. Okay, they're not in US dollars. So, I think what we can do is just do this conversion in oh, I see what they did. Okay, we won't need to do any conversion. So you guys can see my screen, I believe. Yes, you can. Okay, so if you look right here, it had, oh, my head's in the way, that's why. Okay, if you look right here, they have the 2023 year, they have the yen right here, and then they have the US dollars, and it's in millions, which means billion. So they did 12 billion in sales for 2023. That's freaking fantastic. So sales is going to be 12 billion. Okay. And I need to just sign into my Thinkorswim here really quick. All right. While that is loading, we have our sales. Income. I swear I just saw income. Okay, let's look at their assets and liabilities. Total assets, 21 billion. Where's their liabilities? So funny. They don't show the debts or anything here. So 1 second. Okay, 341, 310. All right. Okay, so now Thinkorswim is loading. We'll look at the Nintendo stock. So I need to find income. Comprehensive income. Profit income before taxes. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's go back here. So income is 3.6 billion. Good for them. Pulling up the notes. Income is 3,659,000,000. All right, that's great. And I need to find their market cap. Is that even listed on here? I don't know if they would. Yeah. I don't see it listed here, but we do have this right here, and we're going to grab the market cap, which is going to be 61 billion. 61,246,220,400. Okay, good for them. All right, now I need to look at their cash. How much cash do they have on hand? Any guesses? I'm going to say 1.7 billion. Oh, that's where I wanted to go. Okay, cash and equivalents at the end of the period. Previous year, okay, this year, millions of dollars. So I want the very last column. 8 billion in cash. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, it's 8 billion 981 million. Okay. Okay. And debt. They should have their debt somewhere up here. Debt. Wow, they got debt very down, very far down. Held in much, okay, and yen. Where's? Show me it on your balance sheet. See, this is another reason for secondary markets. This is insane. Okay. Debt securities. No. And it's showing it in yen. So here's dollars. $219 million. Is that? No, this is just what's due. This is so annoying. Okay, here is their assets. Okay, and total liabilities. Okay, total assets. Yen. Oh, God, just give me dollars, dude. Dollars. 2.4 billion assets. Where's liabilities? Liabilities. They don't have liabilities? Come on. Total liabilities. Here we go. Total liabilities is 4.4 billion. Total assets, 21 billion. That's amazing. That's beautiful. Let me just note that down. Assets equals 21 billion. Liabilities is 4.4 billion. That's amazing. So assets dwarf liabilities about 7 to 1 here, which is freaking phenomenal. And just 21.46. Let's just include that. Okay. So assets, liabilities, cool. Debt, we're still. Where, okay, description of financial position. Oh, shoot. All right, let's go back to that area. I think it might get us somewhere. Maybe not. Okay, let me just read this really quick. Table of contents, key financial data. Okay. Okay, so I don't see their debt. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. Let's do this again. Okay, accounting procedures. Again, okay, let's get through this. This is just debt securities. Okay, here we go. This is cash flow. It's not gonna happen. Inventories, we don't care. Oh wait, common stock, common shares. Okay, so there are 129 billion. Are these millions? I don't know. I'm still trying to find it. Okay. There's 1.29 billion shares. I mean, there's so many different figures being thrown around here. Short term, long term, okay. Okay, now we're getting to the debt section. They have to have major debt. Which is fine. They're expected to have debt if they're this big of a company. Other securities. Derivative transactions. Okay, so come on, baby. This is borrowing. Where's just profit per share? No. Okay, come the freak on. Come the freak on. Where's your debt? Maybe I have to use this other website. Financials. Let's look at the other Nintendo. Nothing. That's so annoying. Quote. So I don't know what they did because I don't think they're in good standing right now because their security has limited this yield sign right here. Let's see if I can Google it. Nintendo stock debt. Zero debt. As of December 5, 2023, Nintendo Co. ADR has a total debt of 0. Should we just roll with that? I think we might have to roll with that. Okay, let's roll with that for now, and let's do my calcs here, which... So they have a market cap, and then let's do... How many shares are available? 1.2 billion. Yeah. Okay. So there is 1.25 billion, and I did see that on this annual report, but I wasn't sure there was so many. Implied shares outstanding is 4.7 billion. What the heck does that even mean? What does that even mean? So let's just get this done. So market cap is 61 billion. I'm just gonna do everything shorthand because the shares outstanding are shorthand. Plus sales of 12.04 plus income of 3.659. 165. Okay. And then they have cash of 8.9 billion, 8.98. Okay. And I don't know how many shares are outstanding. Let's see here. It might show it here. Shares outstanding 5.19 billion. Let's go off of that. This is the, I trust this website, MarketWatch. I'm trying to see what was the financial metric we just looked up? Financials, let's see. Sales plus revenue is 1.2 trillion. Oh, that's for the year. Can it show quarterly? Yes, it can. Okay. What did I have for, and is this USD or yen? Damn, it doesn't say. So sales, I had 12 billion. This has to be in yen because they're showing 334 billion, which is not. Why can't it say what currency it is? Let's see. Yen? USD? No. Well, that's annoying. So we're doing what we can here. I apologize. We're going on 20 minutes. So now let's just take this total here and we're going to divide it by 5.19. So this is a $16 stock trading at $11.79. So not bad. One thing about a stock or a company that has 5 billion shares outstanding is that it is going to take some time for there to be some positive or negative volatility in the stock. So, pardon me. I'm going to open Thinkorswim and we're going to look at Nintendo. All right. NTDOY, Nintendo. And of course, I've already charted this one out. So we're looking at the daily chart here. We just want to just go to the monthly. Ooh, the monthly's on an uptrend. Okay, the high was $16 recently, and my price target was $16.55. Look at that, $16.55. This was $16.51. Wow. Okay. So looking at Nintendo stock, and I can get rid of some of this noise. So what I'm going to do is I just want to look at the yearly momentum really quick, and then I'm going to get rid of all of this extra stuff. Ooh, you guys see what I see? You guys can't because it is off the screen. Ooh, you guys, look at this. Cup and handle. Cup, handle, boom. Okay. Yes. Heck yes. Okay. I'm sold. I'm sold. So the cup height is going to be at, so let's just do $15 and $16. $15.50, and we're going to minus $2.50, so about $13. So 16 plus $13, it's going to be about a $30 stock, and I'm going to guess 5 to 10 years. $30 stock in 5 to 10 years. That sounds pretty good. So now let me just clear this out for you guys. And what I mean by clearing it out, I just mean like getting rid of whoops. Getting rid of all this extra stuff. Here we go. And let's go back to the monthly. All right. This is just one huge cup and handle. Look, left side of the cup, right side of the cup, handle just put in. And now it's been working its way up. That's beautiful. Someone had the right idea to buy 491 million shares. Someone bought 491 million shares at around $3. Are you freaking joking me? All right, let's look at the institutions. What are they doing? They better be loading the boat, honestly, because that is insane. Oh, you guys, look. You can't see the chart, but now you can. Look at that. Ooh, juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. All right, so looking at Nintendo stock, this what I think I see going is literally this support here. Let's activate it. Any pullbacks to come and bounce off of this, I think are great. I think we'll see this stock break all-time highs within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Within 8 years, the stock's going to break its all-time high. And just so you guys are aware, I do have Fibonacci arcs down here. You can see every time there's a dip like this, the stock price is at all-time high. So all-time high, this is the dip, buy the dip, all-time high, buy the dip, all-time high. And the next all-time high is going to be around 2033, which if you watched my periods of panic, you will know around 2033 is when the next market melt up is. That's going to be similar to 2021 when the stock market went absolutely nuts. Similar to the dot-com bubble when the stock market went freaking crazy. And all those events, there was a great lockdown. There was the dot-com bubble, then the Great Depression. There's that. Go check out that video if you haven't watched it yet. It is awesome. It covers all the big events in the world and how the stock market reacted. So yeah, my price target for Nintendo over the next 5 to 10 years is, or over the next 10 years is going to be $30. And I think I'm a buyer. That wraps up this video. I apologize if this went too long for you, but if you made it this far, consider subscribing, consider the like button. Hope you're doing well. Bye.